Alam mo ba, ang mga mistakes at mga naranasan mo in the past are small treasures. Experience is currency. Yung decades mo sa trabaho, negosyo at buhay, valuable intellectual property yan na hindi mabibili ng kahit sinong baguhan. Dito pumapasok ang wisdom premium, pattern recognition across economic cycles, relationships, and life transitions. Sabi nga nila, experience is the best teacher. Kahit anong aral mo, anong pakikinig mo, anong panonood mo, kung hindi mo gagawin, hindi mo mararanasan at di mo ma-apply sa totoong setting ng buhay. Kung ikaw ay nagsisimula pa lang o rookie sa trabaho, negosyo, o parenting, o kahit ano man yan, find someone that will serve as your mentor. Someone that is aligned with your values. Learn from them, from their experiences, their wisdom. At kung ikaw naman ay veterano na, share your knowledge. Share your experiences. Share it generously.